Hello, my name's Paul from the Dent clinic, Paintless Dent Removal, and here's an example of a repair I did earlier. It's the front wing of a Renault, and as you can see it's an 8 or 9 inch horizontal crease that meets the bumper line edge, which actually made it more difficult. Also you can see there a partial vertical crease too, with a pinch at the top of the dent. It turned out that the steel was actually stretched at that point, which made it more difficult, and also it is a bit on the deep side too. Here you can see the result. It turned out pretty good. The customer was absolutely ecstatic about that. Now, as you can see, it is an older vehicle, but it doesn't matter to me whether it's an old car or a new car or whatever it is. It's still sheet metal to me, so you'll get the same level of care, attention and expertise no matter what it is. And there you go, it turned out really well. So if you need a repair, then please give me a call on that number or have a look at my website. Thanks for watching.